Available Lane Change Alert with Side Blind Zone Alert is a feature with 2 functions that can help you avoid lane change collisions. If equipped, this feature uses radar sensors in the rear corners of your vehicle to detect vehicles in your side blind zone in the next lane. You'll know it's activated when you see both side view mirror alerts coming on briefly upon start. It activates when you shift out of park or when the parking brake is off on manual transmissions. While driving, if it detects a vehicle in your side blind zone or quickly approaching your side blind zone, an amber icon lights up on the side view mirror on the same side the vehicle is detected, which means it may be unsafe to change lanes. And if you activate your turn signal to its direction, the icon flashes to warn you not to change lanes. You can turn this feature off in the Vehicle Personalization menu on your center display. Visit Buick.com/support for more details.